So Ankit, now it's time to move over to the next round, which is a quick rapid fire round. The objective of this round is to get to know you more, okay, at a more personal level. So until now, the discussion was more professional, so we know everything about, not everything, we know a lot about your experience, your professional background, and how you build your career. So now it's more about getting to know you more personally. So are you ready, my friend, for the rapid fire round?
Absolutely.
Okay. So the first question is, and as it is rapid fire, you not have too much time to think. So whatever comes, off the top of your mind, you have to say it. So first question is, describe yourself in 3 words.
Adventure, fun, and amazing.
Excellent. If you could be any animal, which animal would that be?
The lion.
The lion, king of the forest. What is your favorite hobby or interest?
Well, it keeps changing. These days, I'm into photography and cycling.
Photography and cycling, wonderful. So you're able to find time for that?
Oh yeah, absolutely. This is something which I've developed in the last 2 years, actually. In fact, including Corona times. So I absolutely am able to find time for it.
Wonderful.
So when you have passions for something, time is only a number. I think people are able to adjust their schedules. It's all about where you want to give in and what you want to adjust. Right?
Yeah.
Also, like I said, make sure your ecosystem understands what you're really. The ecosystem is your family as well.
Yes, absolutely. What is your favorite book?
My favorite book. Actually, I like Doctors. I mean, it's a pretty good book. Part of my career. Actually, college. I like that book. It's a fantastic read.
Wonderful. What one new technology? Which one new technology, just one, will transform the future? Only one.
I mean, I would say AI and ML, right? I mean, that has to transform the future.
Yeah. Okay, so I think one last question. What do you like most about your work?
It's the people I work with, right? I mean, I think that to me it's like a family. I think that's very important.
Wonderful. So, thank you, Ankit. I think we got to know you a little more at a personal level. So you do have other interests. You're not, the workaholic types. You do pursue other interests, and I think you've been able to strike balance with your interests, with your family, with your work. That's amazing. I mean, that's definitely inspirational for many of us. Because that is one area where most professionals struggle, is to strike this balance of work life and, more importantly, integration. Like what you say, work life integration. So it's been a wonderful.
I will tell you one second.
Please.
Right? Not every part of your career will give you enough work and life the way you want it. So you have to pace your interest in the personal side and the professional side in different parts of your career. And it's been the same for me. I've had this discussion in my house also. You work a lot, why don't you spend some time at home? Right? In spite of finding all that. So you need to pivot at those points, listen at that point and do the things differently. Right? And there are different ways. Like for example, like I said, sometimes you take a break, take off during the daytime and spend time where it's required. Right? Instead of saying, I'm going to work till 8 to 5 or 9 to 9, and then I'm going to spend time with the family. That may not work with the family because they may not perceive that's enough help. So, especially in today's world, everybody understands the need. Be communicative to your teams and ecosystem, and find some different times in the day, during the weekend, etc., to find the time for your family and work, so that you're trying to keep the ecosystem alive. I think it's extremely important for you to be happy. Right? If you're happy, you'll do very well in your career.
Absolutely. They're all connected. Our personal life, professional life, they're all connected to each other. You cannot work in treat them in silos. Actually, absolutely.